So guys, in today's video, we are solving a 452 question by the name of minimum number of arrows to burst the balloons. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. So please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So here I am so these type videos on the channel. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So let's start to solve a 452 question by the name of minimum number of arrows to burst a balloon. So first of all, we drag and drop the question with examples into our Word file, so we will be understanding this carefully. And let's see, the topic is on about array gradient sorting. Okay, the topic is on about DSA. Okay, so now let's copy the constraints and example and question. So when I copy it, so I am drag and drop into the Word file. So we will be first of all understanding the question, then we will be write a solution. Okay, in the editor of the LeetCode can pop in. So let's understand the question. So it is saying me there are some spherical balloons taped onto a flat wall that represents the x and y xy plane. The balloons are represented as a 2D integer array points, where points square bracket I equals to square bracket x denotes a balloon whose horizontal diameter pre-highlighted the horizontal diameter stretches between x and x. You do not the exactly y coordinates of the balloons. Now let's read our second line. Arrows can be shot up directly vertically. Okay, highlight this in the positive y direction from different points along the axis. A balloon with x store, okay, what x start and x end is burst. Please highlight it, a burst by an arrow that at x, if x start less than equals to x end, there is no limit. Okay, highlighted. There is no limit to the number of arrows that can be shot. A shot arrow keeps traveling up infinitely, bursting any balloons on its path. So our task is, given the array points, we want to return the minimum number. We want to return the minimum number of arrows that must be shot to burst all balloons. So this is our task in today's video. We want to return the minimum number of arrows that must be shot to burst all balloons. Okay, so let's read our case 1. In the case 1 here, he created one integer array by the name of points, in which he write 10, 16, 2, 8, 1, 6 and 7, 2, and the output will be coming 2 because the balloons can be burst by 2 arrows. Shot an arrow at x equals to 6, bursting the balloons square bracket 2, 8 and 1, 6. Then number 2, shoot an array at x equals to 11, bursting the balloons square bracket 10, 16 and 7, 12. Okay, so that's why our output will become 2. In our case 1, our output will become 2. So you must know in our case 1, our output will become 2. So let's see our case 2. In our case 2, here he created an integer array by the name of points, in which he write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. The output will be coming 4. Okay, in the integer form. Why? Because one arrow needs to be shot for each balloon for a total of 4 arrows. Okay, so in our case 1, our output will become 2. In our case 2, our output will become 4. So there are 3 cases. So let's talk about our third case. In the third case, here he create a integer array by the name of points, in which he write 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. The output will be coming 2 because the balloons can be burst by 2 arrows. Shoot an arrow at x equals to 2, bursting the balloons 1, 2 and 2, 3. Shoot an arrow at x equals to 4, bursting the balloons 3, 4 and 4, 5. So in our case 1, our output will become 2. In our case 2, our output will become 4. In our case 3, our output will become 2. So I hope you understand. So these are the constraints which we have used in today's video to solve this question. Okay, these are the constraints which it has been given me. 1 less than equals to points dot length less than equals to 10 5, 10 square 5, points square bracket I dot length equals to 2, then minus 2 square 31 less than equals to x square root start, then less than x square root end, then less than equals to 2, then square 31 minus 1. Okay, these are the constraints. So I hope you understand the question carefully. Yes, and there are some words which I have highlighted, like horizontal diameter, directly vertically, burst, no limit, and this is the talks. Okay, these are talks. Let me wrote down it here, talks. Okay, this is the talks. So let's start to solve this question. So first of all, what I will do, I will be start okay, there is not any timer. Okay, 450 minimum number of, okay, whose horizontal diameter stretches between, okay, directly vertically in the positive way. So let's start to solve this question. So first of all, let me zoom it like this. So first of all, what I can do, I am writing the code from starting. First of all, I create a one class by the name of solution. Okay, because in any solution of the LeetCode camp, you create a one class of a solution, of course. Okay, then def keyword, then write here find min arrow search, and all the first letters will be capital of the word. Okay, then self comma, then points, then semicolon, please wrote it down, and list else will be in capital, both list else will be in capital, int minus greater than int, then semicolon. Then you write here points dot sort, then key equals to lambda, then x x, then semicolon, then x equals 0, then arrows, then equals to 1, enter, then end equals to points, then 0, then 1. Okay, now write here for balloon in points 1 semicolon and then semicolon. If statement we write it here balloon 0, then greater than end, then semicolon. Then if you write for loop, when you created a for loop and if statement, write here arrows in which you write plus equals to 1, then define here end equals to balloon 1, enter, back, define here else statement, then enter. Now here I define in the starting, we define for loop, then we define if statement, then we define else statement. In the else statement you define end equals to min end comma balloon, then square bracket, write a 1 in the square bracket. Now return the output. Okay, return the output, return arrows. Now here we have written it the output. So now let's do this, and okay, now let's read the question and let's see the answer. There are some spherical balloons, tape it onto the flat wall that represents the xy plane. The balloons are represented as a 2D integer array points where point square bracket I equals to x. Okay, I think so it is correct. So let's see the running code. When I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. Okay, why it is not running? Okay, let me sign up. By the mistake, I did not sign up in the LeetCode camp, so that's why it is not running. So let me sign up on it. Let me sign up into the Google, and let me sign up into my like this. Okay, when I sign up on it, so I hope it will be okay to sign up it. So now what I am doing now, I have written all the code. So let's run it. So when I run it, so I hope it not give me any error. So it is giving me the error in the line 9, and in the line 9 it is giving me the error. Okay, arrows. So let me remove s from here and now run it. Okay, now it has been accepted. Okay, error is that if you here I write arrow, in the 14th line I write arrow, in the 4th line I write arrow. Okay, but in the line of arrow I write here s, so that's why it is giving me the error. Like in the line 4 you write arrow, and in the line 14 you write arrow only, but in the line 9 I am writing arrows, so it is, that's why it is giving me the error. But if I remove that, so it is not giving me the error now. Or our both cases are perfect. Our case 1 expected output is 2, and my also output has been coming 2. In the case 2, our output will become 4 expected, and my also output has been coming 4. In our case 3, our output will become 2 expected, and my also output has been coming 2. So I hope it is correct. But let me write here S in the both arrows. Now run it, so I hope it will be correct. Okay, here you can see it. So let's see the submission code. If I submit this, I hope it will be correct. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so the submission code is also be correct. So we solve it in a 107 milliseconds. We solve this question very easily. Yes. So I hope you enjoy this video. In today's video, we solve a 452 question by the name of minimum number of arrows to burst up balloons. Okay, and in today's video we solve this question. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, and never forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. But anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. And please tell me in the comment section below how I'm making my video. Are you liking that my videos or not? Okay, so tell me in the comment section below. But anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on the LeetCode Camp channel. So now anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.